Developing off-roading skills, especially if it's your first four-wheel drive vehicle. You purchase a four-wheel drive car, you have equipped your car. Before you go off-road solo, consider to get some off-road skills. If this is your first four-wheel drive car and you don't have prior experience, you might develop some skill through some accredited courses that would provide you solid knowledge and often aim to industry professionals using four-wheel drive car. They are well suited to many, but they are not cheap. Also, they could be organized for work. There are different types of content, half a day or a full day. I recommend a full day course. You may also choose some four-wheel drive activities and courses organized by car manufacturer or car dealer. These activities are well suited to new four-wheel drive drivers and city folks who might be apprehensive the first time. You may go to some four-wheel drive adventure parks, which offer a wide range of tracks with different level of difficulties and different obstacles. You can proceed at your own pace, and you bring your own registered four-wheel drive vehicle. Always follow the instruction of the park owners. The park owner knows the tracks, you don't. Start with the easy tracks. Beware that in wet weather conditions, the difficulty of the track might increase by 2 levels. And then, you can then go in national park and forest, including beach. In Queensland, a few lists here of beautiful four-wheel drives. Now, once you become more confident with your four-wheel drive car, you might consider additional equipment in the next 2, 3, 4 years later. It might be maps and navigation aids, towing kits and rear recovery point, all-terrain tire, snorkel, first aid kit, bash plate, metallic footsteps. In summary, I hope that you will find the right place to develop your off-road skill and enjoy off-roading.